Well, hello there, nieces, nephews. I've got a southern, specifically more southeastern, but southern staple here. And those of you that know me already know that when the bowl is set up like this, it's obviously a seasoning mix. Today's seasoning mix is Creole. So, use it in all sorts of Creole dishes, or even just throw it into your food that you have if you want to spice things up. The difference between Creole and Cajun is the amount of herbs versus the amount of just peppers and you know, such. So we're starting off with 6 tablespoons of paprika. Yes, quite a bit of paprika. It's fairly heavy on that. Then 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, or marjoram, but oregano is what it calls for. 2 tablespoons of black pepper. Gotta have that black pepper. Then we're going with 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Two tablespoons of garlic powder. That actually makes it smell really good, in my opinion. Now, 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt flakes, or at least larger crystals. Remember, half of a tablespoon is about 1.5 teaspoons. Now, a tablespoon of dried basil, and I'm using dried basil. Tablespoon of dried thyme. And now, a tablespoon of cayenne. Go ahead and mix it up really good. Ooh, that does definitely smell good. Now on one that's this big, obviously it's going to go into my handy dandy jar. Not quite sure why it always seems to. Cannot find a chopstick. Oh, nope, that's not it. Oh well. Sometimes the leaves like to clog it up a little bit. Well, and there you go. A jar of Creole seasoning mix. Great for adding to any sort of your fish, chicken, even vegetables, corn. So, if you liked it, thought it was useful, or even just want to help spread the love here, don't forget to click like. While you're at it, click the subscribe, join the tribe. And don't forget to click on that little bell icon over there and make sure to set it for all. And then in the comments, tell me if you liked it or not, or if you made it, I should say, or if there's anything else you would like. Also down in the description is going to be in both the recipe and a link so you can download the 4x6 recipe card, print it off, put it in your recipe book or in your recipe box, or whatever you use for your recipes. So, bon appetit, bon soirée, good evening, good night, bye.